Hello my dear students, welcome to Prudence Coaching Mathematics class. In this particular channel, you will get ICSE, Cbse and WBBSE solutions. Today our topic is how to find out LCM and HCF using Prime Factorisation Method. So let us start with the topic. Let us understand this with help of an example. If we are asked to find out HCF and LCM of these three numbers, that is 14, 28 and 30 using prime factorization method, then as we are asked to find out using prime factorization method, our first task or first thing we need to do is find out the prime factors of given numbers. So the prime factorization of 14 will be 2, as it is divisible by the lowest or the smallest prime number, that is 2. So we will write 2 into 7 is 14. As 7 is a prime number, we will stop here and write 14 equals to 2 into 7. Next, we will find out the prime factorization of 28. As 28 is a even number, it is divisible by 2. So we will get 2 into 14, that is 28. As 14 is divisible by 2, so we will write 2 into 7, 14. As 7 is a prime number, so we will stop here and write 28 equals to 2 into 7. Now we will find out the prime factorization of 30, that is 2 into 15 will be 30. It is divisible by the smallest prime number. Next, we will check that 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will check for the next prime number, that is 3. We know 3 into 5 is 15, so we will write 3 into 5 is 15. But here 5 is a prime number, so we will stop and write 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5. As we have already found out the prime factorization of all these three numbers, now let us calculate the HCF. In case of HCF, we know HCF is the highest number or the greatest number which can divide the given number without leaving any remainder. Means if we calculate a HCF, that HCF will divide 14, it will divide 28, similarly it will divide 30 without leaving any remainder. In order to find out the HCF, let us check the common factors. Let us take 14 as our base, and if we see, then we will find the smallest prime here is 2. So we will check whether 2 is present in other two numbers or not. Here also we have a 2, in 30 also we have a 2, so we will write 2 here. Next we will go for the next prime number in 14, that is 7. We have 7 in 28, but we don't have any 7 in 30, so we cannot write 7 here. So as you can see, we are done with all the prime numbers present in 14 which we have taken as our base, and we have found that 2 is present in all the numbers, 7 is not present, so we will write the HCF as 2. Now let us find out the LCM. Before that, you should know that 2 is the highest number which can divide 14, 28 and 30 without leaving any remainder. Now let us see the LCM. LCM means the lowest common multiple, means a number which we are going to find. This number can be divided by 14, this number can be divided by 28, this number can be divided by 30 without leaving any remainder. So let us find it out. In order to find out the LCM, we will check the highest repetition of the prime numbers. As you can see, in 14 we have 1 time 2, in 28 we have 2 times 2, and in 30 we have 1 time 2. So the highest repetition is 2 times 2. So we will write 2 into 2. Next we will go for the next prime number, that is 3. We have 3, 1 in 30, we don't have any 3 in 28, we don't have any 3 in 14, so we will write 1 time 3. So here we will write 1 time 3, and next we will see the next prime number, that is 5 is present here. We don't have a 5 in 14 and 28, so we will write 1 time 5. Next prime number in these three numbers is 7. You can see 1 time 7 is there. In 28 also we have 1 time 7. In 30 we don't have any 7, so we will write 1 time 7. If we multiply all this number, we will get the LCM of 14, 28 and 30, and here the LCM will be, let us calculate it. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 7 is 420. Here 420 is the lowest common multiple or the smallest number which can be divided by 14, it can be divided by 28, it can also be divided by 30 without leaving any remainder. So here LCM is 420, HCF is 2. So my dear students, in the next class we will start with this particular formula which is very important for you, and we will also see the validity of this formula. We will check the validity with proof. So students, if you find this video to be helpful, or if you find the content to be helpful for you, please like this video, which will motivate us to bring up new videos. And to get new videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also press on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay happy. Take care.